So, like, you know, my makeup like me crazy. Look at that little speck right there. Get that off. Okay, there. So, I got really mad at my son, and and I just want to let him know that I put his compressor and two of his power tools in my car in case I need a air up on my tires. Because when last time I saw him, I asked him, "Would you check my tires?" "Oh, they look fine to me." Well, shit. You can eyeball it like that? Well, eyeball it in my car, and my car's locked. And the gas cap's locked, and everything's locked up. Locked.